Hello class, this is Dr. Valenzuela. I wanted to talk about the project that you have in Math 101. If you click on your weeks folder here, go to week 1, and then scroll down to the bottom. You're going to work on this graphing report project. And you're going to want to download and print all these documents here. So let's take a look at this document, the graphing report directions. And what you're going to do is, it's 10% of your grade, so it's really important for you to do a good job with it. Parts 1, 2, and 3 are due by the end of week 6. The final submission is due by the end of week 7. Okay, and it's a 4-part project, and it focuses on charts and graphs. The purpose is to demonstrate your understanding of charts and graphs and how to apply them in the workplace. So these are, the rough draft is due by the end of week 6. There are 3 options that you may choose from to retrieve your data and create your graphs. You have option 1, option 2, and option 3. So option 1 is, they're down here. So option 1, here's option 1, criminal justice, option 2, business, option 3, medical. Okay. And so you get to choose one of them. You don't have to do all 3, just choose one. Upload, and then you're going to do your project in a Word document and then upload it in the week 6 graphing report rough draft assignment link under week 6. The final submission will be due by the end of week 7. Within that, your Word document, you're going to compose a short reflection and summary about the report and how the knowledge, skills, and capabilities are related to your workplace. That's part 4 of the project. Notice that all 4 parts, the graphs, the answers to the questions, and reflection will need to be in one Word document, okay, according to APA guidelines. Okay, so that's the project. This is the rubric where you're going to be graded on tables and a bar chart, table and a pie chart, table and a line graph. Your analysis and then reflection will be part of your grading as well. Okay, so this is the criminal justice option here. Okay. Notice here's the data. Here's the task. Okay. Task 2. So notice that. I'll go through these later in future weeks. I don't want to go through too much detail right now at the first week. But here you're going to create a bar and column graph. Task 2, you're going to create pie charts. Okay. And here you're going to create a line graph for task 3. Task 4, reflection. This is the project reflection, I'm sorry. Okay, make sure you have a cover page, title, name, college, class, date. You might want to put my name on there, Dr. Valenzuela. Footer with your name and course number. Header with page numbers, double space, 1-inch margins, 12-point font, New Times Roman. So you're going to have a table, then a column bar chart is part 1. Part 2, you're going to have a table with a pie chart. Part 3, you'll have a table with the line graph. Part 4, you'll have the project reflection. So this has all parts. So this is a good document to follow. Okay. Okay, so then if you go, you're just going to pick either the criminal justice one, the business document, or the medical. We'll open up the medical one. And you'll see that it's formatted in the same way. So this is the medical project, but you have task 1, which is the bar chart, to create a bar chart. include the table. Okay. You have the pie chart to do for task 2 or part 2. In part 3, you've got the table, and so remember for part 3 that it's the table and the line graph. Okay, and see, notice that it says for each part the data table and the cluster column bar chart are copied from Excel. I'll go through this in later weeks, but you're going to copy them from Excel and put them in your Word document. Same here, you're going to copy the table and the pie chart from Excel, put it in your Word document for part 2. Then you'll copy the data table for part 3, and then the line chart, put it in your Word document. And then you'll have your project reflection, which is the final part, okay? And remember that that you're going to have your title, the name, title page. You can put in a footer with your name and course number. You'll have a header with page numbers, use double spacing, 1-inch margins, 12-point New Times Roman font, and parts are numbered, and each part on a new page. So part 1 has a new page, part 2 on a new page, part 3. So in essence, you may have at a minimum 4 pages in your project. Okay, so in future weeks I will review these more in detail so that you can follow along with me. I'll develop videos for you to help you along the way. Okay, this is Dr. Valenzuela. Have a great session in our Math 101 course. Thank you.